Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Hey, we're going to teach you how to draw the penguin that we did for Penguins in the Snow. If you're doing this project, you could draw whatever kind of penguins you want, but if you wanted this type of penguin, today we're going to show you how. So, what we're going to do is, we're going to I'm starting closer to the top, unlike in the other video. I'm going to draw this to start. So this is it's just a quick little thing like this. This will go around his eyes. It'll be the white part on his face. And then I'm going to go around that, keeping a short little spot here, but it'll get bigger up around the top of his head. And then we'll draw in where his eyeballs will go. And we'll start with his body. So his body is kind of like an oval going down around like this. We'll add on his flippers. The white part on his body, and then some easy feet. So we know that this is not exactly what penguins look like, but it's penguin-ish, like we like to say. And then I'm going to use a permanent marker, but you could use any marker that you have to fill in the black part. So around here is around his face. It's all going to be black. I'm going to turn it sideways. I am left-handed, and I need to be very careful not to smear things because I do smear sometimes with my left hand. If any of you are left-handed, you probably know what that's like. Sometimes drawing is difficult. So I'll do this. I'm going to color him all in. His round eyes. Oh, this is so much better than the other video that I was doing about him. If you also, if you're looking at our videos, you'll see another penguin that we did where we used the number 8 to draw that. A quick, simple penguin. And that's a fun one too. Now, I know that a lot of you don't know her, but my sister Teresa loves penguins. She has so many penguins. I'm going to have to send her this one, I think. She's a penguin lover. And she can tell you all about the different kinds of penguins that there are. Oh, I think I said in the other video that they live below the hemisphere, the southern, and the southern part of our world, except for the ones who live in the Galapagos Islands. Those are above the equator. Oh, that's what I was trying to say, equator before. They are the only place where penguins live above the equator, except in zoos. Which is kind of an interesting thing, if you think about it.
Hey, could you use paint if you wanted to?
Oh yeah, you could use paint. My idea was just to use a marker, but yes, you could use paint. You could use a black pencil. What else could you use to make them black?
Could you cut out black paper?
Yes. I happen to think that might be more difficult, but you could. So now what I'm going to do is I'll cut him out, and then I'll put him in to this one, to our penguin in the snow, just like this guy. Thank you very much for coming to see us again today. Remember, if you like this and you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you can do that right below. If you make a penguin in the snow, would you have someone take a picture and post it on Instagram with the hashtag Alameda Arts Fun? That way we'll be able to see your really great artwork. And if you want to find more things, come and look at our website. All right. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next time.
Bye, friends.